Hey guys, I'm Kerry. In this video, you'll be doing a test on subject-verb agreement with the focus being on indefinite pronouns. This test has 10 items. Let's practice. Restate each of the following sentences according to the directions in parentheses. Then, change the number of the verb to agree with the new subject. For example, each of these books was written by Margaret Atwood. Change each to all. The changed sentence is, all of these books were written by Margaret Atwood. Everyone easily understands the rules of this game. Change everyone to most people. The changed sentence is, most people easily understand the rules of this game. Number 2. Neither of the performers was nominated. Change neither to both. The answer is, both of the performers were nominated. Number 3. Has each of your friends had a turn? Change each to both. The answer is, have both of your friends had a turn? Number 4. Some of the trees were destroyed. Change trees to crop. The answer is, some of the crop was destroyed. Number 5. Have any of the apples been harvested? Change apples to wheat. The answer is, has any of the wheat been harvested? Number 6. Nobody has visited that haunted house. Change nobody to many of our neighbors. The answer is, many of our neighbors have visited that haunted house. Number 7. Each is well trained. Change each to several. The answer is, several are well trained. Number 8. One of the tires needs air. Change one to all. The answer is, all of the tires need air. Number 9. All of the fruit was eaten. Change fruit to pears. The answer is, all of the pears were eaten. Number 10. One of the building blocks is missing. Change one to some. The answer is, Some of the building blocks are missing. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you got all 10 items correct. Be sure to check out my other cool videos. Like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay grammarous. Bye, bye, bye.